Soft, wholesome and baked with love. And the best part? You can make this at home with just a handful of ingredients.
What? It looks like 20 ingredients for warm bread.
That's a lot for something as simple as bread, and many of them are added to extend shelf life or improve texture artificially. Is that really necessary? Do we really need all that just to enjoy a slice of bread? Let's break it down. On the left, we have the store-bought bread, 16 ingredients including added sugar, preservatives and synthetic additives. On the right, homemade bread, just 6 wholesome ingredients. Homemade bread has 0 added sugar, 0 synthetic ingredients and 30% more fiber per slice. And trust me, it will be much tastier. Let's skip the additives and bake something truly delicious. Here's what we need: whole wheat flour, regular wheat flour, yeast, water, yogurt and salt. That's it. Simple, wholesome and no hidden surprises. We'll start with the dry ingredients: wheat flour, whole wheat flour, salt and yeast. Give them a quick mix to combine. Next, add yogurt and water to the mix. The yogurt adds a sour note and keeps the bread moist. Once it comes together, it's time to knead. Kneading develops the gluten, giving your bread its structure. Plus, it's a great workout for your arms. Cover the dough and let it rest at room temperature for about 6 hours. This slow rise extends the flavor and texture of your bread. After the dough has risen, preheat your oven to 415 Fahrenheit with an iron pot inside. The pot helps create a perfect crust by trapping steam. After 6 hours, our dough is ready. Look at that structure. The gluten has developed beautifully, giving us a light, fluffy bread. Gently flatten the dough, then fold it a few times to build strength. Finally, shape it into a smooth ball. Make 2 quick cuts on the top. This allows the bread to expand beautifully in the oven. Be careful here, the pot is very hot. Place the dough inside, cover with the lid, and it's ready to bake. Bake for 45 minutes with the lid on, then remove the lid and bake for another 15 minutes to achieve that perfect crust. Let the bread cool before slicing. Look at that soft, airy crumb and golden crust. Trust me, this bread tastes as good as it looks. Buon appetito!